Hi everyone, this is Caleb Magnus recording a second video for my EDIT 5340 course, Emerging Technologies, Teaching Models, and Learning Environments for Texas A&M International University. Like I said, this is the second video. This will be exploring an emerging technology. For this video, I am exploring the augmented reality app for the iPad called AR MAKR. In just a second, I will switch over to a video of me actually using the app, screen recording of me using the iPad, but I wanted to make sure that you were aware of what I would be talking about and how the app works. So the app is designed to work with the Apple iPads. It works with our AR kit that they had released several years ago. I've attended some trainings on this and utilizing this product. I've utilized it in classrooms a number of times. It's always a big hit with students, and it's one of those cross-curricular experiences. So you can do things with science, you can do things with literature, you can do things with math, you can do social studies. It really fits almost all of the things, and it's applicable to most grade levels. That being said, right now I'll go ahead and jump right into the video showing me using the product.
All right, Caleb here again with the iPad. You can see on the screen I've got the app pulled up. It's the AR MAKR app, again designed for the iPad to work with their augmented reality tools. So I'm going to go ahead and press start. When you open up the app, you have a couple of different features. You've got the create your own scene, the mythical creatures, the three little pigs for storytelling, the space mission, ocean adventure, tiny town, London, Japan. There's a number of templates already in here. You can create your own scenes. You can see here, just open it up. I don't have any scenes and I haven't created any shapes. I'm going to go back to the templates. And I'm going to go ahead and choose the space mission template. And so when I open that up, it tells me that the template includes historic spacecraft, celestial objects, and a number of other things. So it's pretty cool for doing some science stuff with. So I'm going to hit start. It now tells me I need to move my iPad around to find the surface. I've got the floor here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. It's identified the floor. And now I have the pre-made objects that they've got along the side here. I can choose any of these to insert into my scene, or I could go to the new, but for now, just going to pop in the moon using my finger. I am increasing the size. And then underneath the place, there is an up and down arrows. We're going to press that and allow our moon to rise up into the sky. And we'll go ahead and place it here. And so it has disappeared on me. There we go. And it's placed. And we can go ahead and close this. And now you see I have the moon static, floating in my space. Very cool, very neat. Can look around it, can explore it, different sides, zooming in close, going back farther away, coming back to it. If I were to go ahead and hit that plus icon again, tap on the moon down on the bottom right hand corner, I have the options to do some animations to it. I like to make it spin, making it spin to the right. You can see now, if I close this and I look, the moon is spinning. The moon is spinning. So it's a very neat feature. Hitting that plus icon again, if I do new, there are additional shapes I could add. I could always pull something from folders, three-dimensional shapes that we can choose from here that we could add into the scene. We could paint them, color them. I have noticed that one of the more difficult features when I do, if I'm putting in my own object, like if I wanted to put the Earth in and I put a globe in, if I want to add an image overlaying it, I have to find a correct thing. Usually I have to find the correct type of map that's taking the 3D Earth and putting it into a 2D model so that when it overlays back over it, it's correct. So there's some difficulty there sometimes, and there's a little bit of learning curve to this app. You have to be pretty confident using it. The kids pick it up really quickly. Again, you can see just spinning around looking at it. Without any major issues. But it's a good way, like I said, this is an immediate science thing. They can see the moon, they can see it spinning, and it's very useful, right? So there's lots of cool features to it. But like I said, there's a little bit of a learning curve to this app. There's also sometimes a lack of pre-made things for you, so you have to really dive in if you're going to create some of the more meaningful items for it. But that is the AR Maker app for the iPad.